I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solves it. Setting up notifications on the Discover app can enhance your experience by keeping you updated on important events. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Discover app. Launch the app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings scale located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the app settings menu. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the settings menu, find and select the Notifications option. This is where you can customize what alerts you want to receive. Step 4. Customize your preferences. Choose the types of notifications you want to receive, such as updates, promotions, or reminders. You can toggle each option on or off based on your preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After customizing your notifications, make sure to save your changes by tapping the Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you forget this step, your preferences won't be updated. Now you're all set to receive notifications tailored to your interests. Enjoy staying updated with the Discover app.